This is so cool. Now, wait, which way do I go? Oh, the bolts are back. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeehaw! I wonder if I can just jump off of this at some point. Okay. Boom. I'm good at baseball. Okay, let's try. No, that didn't work. Eat bomb. This game is so fun. I didn't know the enemies would be back. Alright, I'm gonna turn it down a tiny bit. The more noise there is, the less I feel like I need to say anything. I want it quieter so it's like focused on my voice. Smash, smash, smash. Gotta smash them all. Ratchet and Clank. Whoa, shouldn't do that. So, Mozgov Sobrano, what is that? Now, what's this? Uron от критического удара. So, the damage from a critical hit. And Skorostrelnost, the shooting speed. What's that? Vremya Действия, how long it lasts. This is so fun. Oh shit. Watch, it's funny. That thing will be, see how it's down? As soon as I use it, it didn't work. Maybe it's just a timing thing. I thought it was based on when you use it. Yeehaw! Oh wait, hang on, isn't this leading me back? Damn it, I went in a circle. So, wait up. Well, let's go over. Alright, I can fly. Recharge. Yeah. Alright, whoa. Weapon. Whoa. That's cool. Whoops, no, that was a waste. Mozgov Nado Tepir. Okay, no idea what he's saying. I'm pretty thorough. Always looking for treasure. In all these games, you never know when there's treasure. Could be. Oh, is this an enemy? Just keep stuffing. Ah! I'm trying to save it. But, well. This game is so fun. Alright, what's my weapon I'm going to use? Let's get Mr. Zircon on the case. Burn him up. Burn him up. Mr. Zircon is helping me. What else is shooting at us? This is too much fun. I gotta do this. There's one up there. I think start with the highest one. Whoa! Okay, well, I wasn't ready. Boom. Now do I have to kill this thing? Yeah, Novi Urovien. Каждого Зircона сопровождает маленький, но агрессивный протеже. He's gonna more aggressively protect me, I'm guessing. Shit! One more. Who's talking to me? Ah! Recharge anyway. Bloop, bloop, bloop. This one is pretty powerful. Let's go. Oh, I missed him. Shit, shit. This is not the right way to go. Shit, can I get up here? I got a bad feeling I won't be able to. Oh no! Zircon. And I got a few of these now. What the hell was that? Boosted back up. Come back. Zircon, help me, man. Aim at this thing. Is it dead? Where's the thing? Come on, make it. Oh, shit. You gotta be kidding me. No. No. Shit. Oh! Wait, no. Okay, here we go. Wait, don't move. How the hell? What? Over there? Literally anywhere. I'm surrounded by lava. Well, okay. Ah! Oh, this is even worse. I prefer to die than get stuck here. Okay, how do I get out? Now I feel like I'm in Lord of the Rings. Oh, 20. How did I get back to 25? Alright, up there. Should be able to make it. Let's just get up here. Where's another place with the green stuff? Here we go. That's not flying. That's falling with style. Let's head this way. Okay, eat this thing. I don't have to do anything. Oh no, Zircon died. Boom, boom, boom. Did I get the brain? Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Oh, whoops. Got what weapon I had. What am I getting hit by? Shit. No. I wasn't ready for that. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What? 24 out of 20? I guess I'm meant to go back. These are a bit too easy. Like, that wasn't even close. Oh, crap. Can I make it? 26. Let's do it. Let's live a little. Especially if I got Zircon. Oh, I got a mini Zircon? How long's he been there for? Baby Zircon. Alright. Make it. Come on, make it. You can make it. That'll do. Wrong button! Fuck! These are like each doing 1%. Boom, 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 boom. What? Out of ammo. Oh no! What? I died out of nowhere. No, don't. What? How far back am I? Wait, what? Am I back in the same area? I'm so confused. So it was over this way. No. I mean, this way. No, for fuck's sake. This way. Alright, let's just go over there. Whoa. Wrong button, that's why. There's stuff down there. I've got it on the hardest difficulty, but it seems to give me ammo when I come back and health. And I think that enemy I killed is gone, so it feels a bit unfair for the bad guys. Reminds me of Independence Day for some reason. Okay, stop flying away, you bastard. I'm going back. Ah, you want more? Oh, I'm very high. I should be able to get to a lot of places from here. Okay, let's suss it out. In fact, let's get this weapon. Don't look at the ground. So we got boxes, we got a charge station thing, we got a turret, we got monsters, something underneath there. Okay, we got at least one red button. We've got dragon things. Can I shoot them? Kriticheski, that was a critical hit. Yep, just one at a time. Next. Okay, just stay there. Ah, come on. Stay still. And pick a spot. Boom. I hit the boxes as well. I think just fly down. I've got Zircon and mini Zircon. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah! Novi Urovian. Posplamianitil. Smashity smash. Boom. Bloop, 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 bloop. 33 out of 20. Okay, nearly done. Let's try to jump. Whoa. No. Ah! Ah, shit. You never had a chance. This is too much fun. Alright, so, well, I'm fully charged. Whoa, lots of things. Right, let's get up here. I've been this. Oh, hello! Oh, more plant things. More cactus, weird, short, fat cactus things. I feel like I got here the wrong way. Like you meant to go down this path. I just flew there. Ah, this is like heaven. Just breaking all these things. Ah! Trying to hide them from me. What's he shooting at? Alright, let's have some fun. Bird season. Bird hunting season, I mean. Alright, 40 out of 20. How many do I have left? Only minus 20 left. I don't know why I'm saving it. I don't need to. Oh, hello. Here we go. Boom. Did that kill him? I think I killed that guy. Oh, Mr. Zircon's gone. Let's get them to dance as they die. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Ah! Damn it! Was it dancing as it killed me? Let's, may as well. Why not? Have a bit of fun. Okay, so this way, there's something. I see. Where's... Here we go. How did I miss that? Ah! There we go. Whoa. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's try using it. That was cool. That was cool. Oh, hello. I noticed where these things are. I can always find your hidden secrets. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. What else? What? No! It's an accident. Go hit the thing. I really should use the disco ball more, just for comedic, for entertainment purposes. Area clear? Clear. Oh shit! I completely missed that. That looks like it's just a bump. What are we getting shot at? Oh, it doesn't matter. Zircon and Zircon Jr. took care of it. Can I do this? Whoa! That's a pretty cool way. Okay. Get that like that. What in the wrong button? Where's... Whoa, whoa, what the hell did it just hit me? Oh, that. Where am I at? 59 out of 20. So minus 39 to go. I feel like I'm doing good. Wait for those things to go down. Here we go. Alright, let's... Ah! No, 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 no! Shit, Mr. Zircon. Another 4. Shit. No! Where am I now? Is it? What is this? How long has that been there for? What? Was I mentioning that? There was like huge... There we go. One of these was there. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, novi urovien. Raketomiet hishtnik. 7% damage roughly. Stuff up there. I'd say there's a good chance there is. Oh, okay, maybe not. Well, let's start with this. No. Boom. Fighting Iron Man. Wait, hang on. 1, 2. Where's the third one? Where is it that plugs in? Let's follow this cable. 1, 2. What? What am I missing here? 1. Oh, there's another. Here's the. Where's this go? Aha. Don't touch it yet. Boom. 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 At least I'm like directly above. Oh, okay, down here. Alright, let's have some fun. I think that's it. That's all you got? Let's go fly a kite up to the highest heights. Let's go. Whoops. Keep doing the wrong button. How long have we been playing for? Nearly an hour. Yeah. Very fun though. Very, very fun. A lot of work that I need to get done eventually. I will get it done though. It's just harder to get it done at home. Wait, no, idiot. Is this gonna release another monster? Do I just jump down there? I don't know if I trust that. Whoa, what's shooting at her? It's so cool, I don't even need to worry. Zircon does all the work. Okay, so maybe let's just... Ah! Nicely done. Wow, didn't see anything there. Boom, boom. The sound, whoa. Sound effects are so funny. There you go. Look at this fucking fly up. Did that do it? I think I did. That was so close. We're out of here. Wonder if shooting that will do it. Whoa. Alright, I think that's it. How many have I got? 75 out of 20. I'm guessing there are 75 in total. Get a little closer and then fly. I just like the companionship of Mr. Zircon. Yes, yet вам смерть. Can I use this? Ha 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 ha. Mostly. Oh, were these shoes? Boots? Pagavarit? Pagavarit. That means talk. Why would I talk to him though? Whoa, what just happened? Okay, let's keep talking. What? Did I have a... What? I don't understand. What? Do I get that or... Have I not pretty much done everything here? Maybe that's something I can't do yet. Let's try this. Oh yeah, 14. Yeah, baby. Last star, I can just get more. Whoops. I really think I overthink this. It barely matters. It's all good. Ah, so close. Don't know what that is. Alright, we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.